and badminton is a racket-based game played by two opposing players as singles or two pairs, which is doubles or mixed doubles. And the goal is to always get the shuttle or the birdie to the other side of the court without committing a fault or getting it out of bounds. So a player is awarded a point if the other player ends the rally or is unable to return the shuttle, or if the other player commits a fault, which basically means touch the net or is out of bounds.
In badminton, the potential and kinetic energy depend on the position of the shuttle. For the most part, the shuttle will follow a projectile and parabolic path. Therefore, the top of the path has the highest potential energy while having the lowest kinetic energy, while the bottom of the path will have the lowest potential energy while having the highest kinetic energy. In a drive shot, the point is to keep the birdie very level. Therefore, there will not be a lot of change in potential and kinetic energy. Since there's not a lot of change in height, therefore the potential energy will not change as much, and by the conservation of energy, the kinetic energy will not change as much either. Meanwhile, a clear shot has a greater height, therefore the potential energy would be larger in a clear than in a drive. On the other hand, drops and smashes are meant to aim downwards, so the potential energy would be the highest in the beginning, and the kinetic energy would be the highest at the very end. This is also why it's so difficult to recover from a drop shot and a smash, because it's aimed downwards and the kinetic energy is greater. Because the badminton racket and the shuttle will not stick together, they can be viewed as an elastic collision, which is demonstrated by the equation below. In addition, the initial velocity of the racket and the shuttle will have different signs, one being positive and one being negative, because they're going in different directions. Also, momentum and energy are conserved. Newton's second law of force states that F equals ma, where force equals mass times acceleration. So in badminton, since it is an elastic collision, if you swing the racket faster and with greater force, the velocity of the shuttle will also be faster. Therefore, the velocity will increase at a greater rate, so the acceleration will be faster, and because the acceleration and force are directly proportional, so will the force. This is my project on the physics of badminton. I hope you enjoyed.